So the first thing is that you already know that you countries are dumping US dollars and buying gold. Now what we didn't know that and what is going to happen is that the countries are going to take debt and buy gold, and that is the thing that is going to happen thing. And then, as I told last time also, the second point is that the gold currently, which is at running at 70,000 per 10 grams in India, is going to reach out till 2 lakhs, and there are many reasons for that, and it can even reach that. I'll tell you why. And then the third thing which we told is that there are a lot of restrictions in India on gold, because the government will create a lot of restrictions. Already currently there are restrictions in terms of limitations, in terms of how much physical gold you can own and how much virtual gold you can own and how much sovereign bonds you can buy and all those things. So that is going to happen as well. Restrictions are going to exceed now. And then the fourth point which I told is that the government, once the gold rate goes very high, government is going to ask you to deposit extra gold which you have in your possession into to the government kitty, and then return a new currency, gold back currency. This is a potential possibility that is happening, and this is the fourth prediction which I am talking about. Then the fifth prediction which I am talking about here is that in gold, what we have not seen, what we have not seen or heard so far is that everyone is dumping. Everyone is, all countries are moving from the US dollar board to the gold board. They are going to get their own currencies and all. But what is not happening, and what one thing which has not happened is that US, which is a major currency, which is printing trillions of dollars, has not yet started buying the gold. And when it starts buying the gold, you can imagine the amount of the rate is going, the US, the gold, the rate is going to go, because in the international market, the gold is based on US dollars, and if US prints a lot of money and starts buying gold, then it can create a havoc in the gold industry, right? And that is one thing which, and these are the things which I have told. Now the next thing, very important thing that I am going to talk now is that, see, the event which I just talked about, US buying gold, printing dollars and buying gold, it's going to be a very havoc, and this might likely happen. If it happens, it's going to be a shoot up on gold like anything. But there, what can also easily be happening instead of that is that you can see US, we have seen this year that US treasury bonds, which is the debt taking machine for the US, where they sell the bonds and then take the money. Treasury bond, they are not able to renew their bonds. So what they are doing is they are selling only short-term bonds. Now 80% of the bonds which are sold this year is short-term bonds, because they are not able to sell long-term bonds. No one has trust in the US for long-term. So what US can potentially do is the important point in my video today, is that US can potentially tell that the long-term treasury bonds, which is called TLT, treasury long-term, right? They can issue a treasury long-term like 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and then say that it is gold back. At the time of renewal, you can, if you want, you can take dollar, if you want, you can take gold. Now this is a very possibility which can also happen, because this is an alternative, and this is the very easiest way, because US will be solving so many problems with that. First, it's going to give a stability to the US dollars. Second, it's going to give a stability to their long-term treasury bonds, which they are not able to sell. And if US is not able to sell the treasury bonds, I'll tell you, US is gone. The treasury bonds, US is all dependent on that, because that is the only place where US prints the machine. The printing machine, we talk about US printing a lot of money in the COVID and all. This is all about just issuing treasury bonds in the market and then taking money. That is how they take debt. And if they are not able to give long-term treasury bonds, it's going to be a problem. So that is why US want everyone to get stuck in their long-term treasury bonds. No one is taking right now, no country is taking. 80% of them, we have seen, even their own institutions are not, their pension funds are not taking long-term treasury bonds. So 80% of this year, they are only short-term bonds. Last year also the case was similar after the second half. So US has a very good chance here, long-term treasury bonds, which they can issue back with gold, telling that if you want, at the time of renewal, at the time of maturity, you can get a gold equivalent. So if that is what the game, that is called treasury gold bonds. Now treasury gold bonds can be a game changer for the US, and it can be it can solve a lot of problems for the US. And if that happens, tell you guys, gold rates gonna shoot up anything, because it will be all back with gold. And the treasury bonds, when I am talking about 35 trillions of debt, and every year, this year, my estimate is that $10 trillion is required for US to be sold in the bonds, because $8 trillion of bonds are getting for renewal. Of this, at least 4 trillion they have to print it out. So I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be a game changer in the gold if US issues US treasury bonds back with gold, that is gold US treasury bonds. Thank you so much.